Hi, welcome to another tutorial from Hammer. At Hammer, our goal is to build an extremely adaptive flight automation platform for the commercial drone industry. In this particular tutorial, we will be going through lateral capture. This type of mission is useful for inspecting any structure laterally, for example, roof gutters, railway tracks, and cliffs, etc. In this mission, Hammer generates a flight path to the marked structures with the camera looking forwards and automatically adjusting the gimbal to look at the target structure. So let's make a start. First thing, we need to add our task, which is lateral capture. As you can see here, it says draw lines on the structure's edge and then press OK or press Enter. So we're going to mark these points here, around the side of the building. One here, and one here. And when you're ready, as it says, click OK, which is up here, or press Enter on your keyboard. I'm going to press Enter. And there we are. So it's plotted our route. You can see here it says 164 feet, which we will change in a second. And each one of these blue markers is where it will take a photograph. In the top corner here gives you an estimated distance, which is 0.26 of a kilometre. It'll take 3.5 minutes, use one battery and take 27 pictures. In this mission, we actually want to photograph the outside edge with the aircraft coming round the side of the building. And we can do that by going to Settings. We'll change our camera over to the Mavic 2 Pro. Currently the altitude is at 164 feet, which I think is a bit too high. So we can adjust this slider, which will give us our altitude. Or you can also highlight the box and change it from there. So we're going to have an altitude of 50 feet. You can also change the horizontal distance. So that's how far the aircraft is from the edge of the building. Currently, I think 33 feet is about fine. And what we want to do is we want to shoot the outside. So I'm going to use rotate points 180 degrees. And there you go. So now it will fly around the outside of the building, photographing the outside edge. So from here, we can run a simulated mission, which will show you the path that the drone will take. So we'll click Done here, and over here we can select Start Simulation. This point in the middle here is a simulated takeoff point. Usually that would obviously be somewhere over here. So there you go, our mission has been simulated. We should move that over there for the time being. From here you can also see what it looked like in 3D space. Unfortunately, the target object, obviously in this map, isn't as defined as it should be, but it gives you a 3D view. So you can come out of that. And from there, as long as you're happy with the way your mission's planned and how it looks, you can actually send that to the Hammer app so you can perform the mission in the field. Up here, Send to App will tell you exactly how that is done, and I will show you that in the next part. In this second part of our lateral capture tutorial, we'll show you how to access it on the app. So as you can see, I've got my app open and I've got a few mission folders and missions here, but no lateral capture. So if we come up to the cloud icon up here, we can actually download the mission directly from what we planned on the hub. So there we go, lateral capture. So if we open that up, there we go. So that's pulled down our lateral capture from the hub. And from here, we can go on and we can execute the mission. We can also make adjustments directly within the app. See, it's brought everything across from previous. We can also produce a 3D view, so we can see our distance and heights. And that is done if we go back to our settings, come up to 3D view. If we have Google Earth installed, click Google Earth. And there you go. Pop it into 3D. You can see exactly the flight path it will take, the distance from the structure, and the height. And that is how you plan and execute a lateral flow mission with Hammer Hub and Hammer app. If you like this video, drop us a like, or if you have any comments, please put some comments below. You can always get hold of us on team@hammermissions.com if you have any further questions. Thank you very much for watching.